Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you anywhere.
What's up, my J-Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and as y'all can tell by the title, it is a hair review. And don't mind the noise in the background, they're cutting grass. So this beautiful hair is from Asteria Hair, and I recently got this hair from them. My first video on this channel was Asteria Hair, and it was a super long wig. I don't think it was my first video, it was probably my second, but I absolutely love Asteria Hair. Like, their hair is so bomb, and the curls, like, they're giving. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over the details of the hair, and everything will be linked down below. Their website, their coupon code, and yeah, the details about the lace, everything will be down below. So first off, this is their 24-inch HD lace water wave 13x4 lace frontal, and the density is 180, and the density is super thick. I would have thought it was like 200 at the most, because this hair is given. I decided to do like some different baby hairs. Y'all know I normally do like gel baby hairs, but this one I just did some hairspray on it and just whisked it. Y'all will see in the video because I'm hard at explaining stuff. So yeah, what came in the box was basically the wig in a little Ziploc bag right here with your details of the hair. Came with some cute eyelashes, real cute. And then it came with a little baggie for you to put your hair in. And it also came with a headscarf, the same color with Asteria Hair written on it, but I already used it, so. And it also came with a scarf. It's like a big scarf that you wear around your head. It's like you don't want to do your hair that day. So it also came with that. And it came with a second one just in a different color, real cute. And then it came with an adjustable strap and a wig cap. But this wig is a little too big for me. I have a lot of room in the back, but I'd rather have a big wig than a small wig, because the small wigs, I wouldn't be able to do this much. I would have to cut it short, and the hair does not really tangle at all. Like, when I got it out the pack, I could brush it easily. The only thing I put on my hair was some water mixed with conditioner, Tresemme. I put it right here, and I also use Lotta Body, I believe that's what it's called, but you'll see in the video what I use. And Lotta Body makes my hair shine, and like, it gives it that wet look. Like, my hair still looks wet, but it's not. And the edges I used Gots to Be Glued. It's their brand. I put a picture up. Also tried a new glue. I use this girl's line. I put her name right here. Also tried the even glue for the first time, and I actually love it. Like, my lace looks undetectable. Didn't have to pluck a lot. It was just like some hair I had to pluck to give a natural hairline. Bleaching time, I bleached it for 20 minutes. I kind of over bleached it, but like, you can't really tell. Like, you can't really tell that it's over bleached or whatever. I'm gonna scoot back so y'all can see the full. Every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me what you
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because
big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that ooh.
ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.